Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to manually pair or unpair your Rode wireless mics, okay, with the transmitter and the receiver. So now I have connected these two transmitter on this receiver. Now I'm going to unpair it, okay. So how to unpair it? It's very simple. So you need to press this CH button, okay. Come to CH button. And one more time, you need to press this CH button. So now it is in channel 1, I mean transmitter number 1. If you press again CH button, it will be changing to 2 because that is selecting transmitter 2. For example, if I'm going to unpair it, what you need to do is you need to press and hold this Rode button after pressing this channel button. Okay, so I'm selecting this channel 2 and here I need to give long press. It's successfully unpaired. So now you can see, if you're seeing this message, right? So it's successfully unpaired. Now I'm going to unpair again transmitter number 1. Now I need to press the CH button. Whatever it is connected, right, it will be showing here. So now I'm going to press and hold this button, Rode button on this transmitter. It's successfully unpaired. Both are unpaired, so there is no signal. If you want to turn it on, you need to turn it on to pair it again. Give long press. And here also give long press. But now, if you want to pair again, you need to press the CH button. Hold to pair. You need to hold to pair. There's a symbol. So pair TX now. So take your mic and press this single press. Okay, this Rode button you need to single press after turning it on. So I'm going to single press. It's blinking, right? It is in pairing mode. So I'm going to press and hold. It's connected. That's it. Super cool. So now the light is stable now. So I'm going to take the second one. So I need to tap this CH button single time. And I need to select the transmitter. So now it is in 2. It's not paired. I'm going to press and hold. Pair TX now. So I need to single press after turning it on. So it should be turned on, okay? I'm going to press this single press. Okay, just single press. That's it. Now it is connected. So to turn it on or to turn it off, right, you need to press and hold. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can pair or unpair manually your Rode wireless. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comment and feedback from your form. Thank you. Bye and take care.